Hello and welcome to a new video. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how to get Microsoft Office for free. Well, actually it's only Word and Excel. Other Microsoft Office apps are not included. But the good news is that this is completely legal and actually a free released version of Word and Excel by Microsoft. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to visit this website. I will provide a link in the video description for your convenience. Right there, scroll a little bit down until you see this zip file with the name ending in 1F. Click on it, and it will download. Make sure to download this file, as it's an updated one that has some bugs fixed. After the download is done, simply extract the files, as what you have downloaded is a zipped file, which contains the needed file for the free Office version installation. After the extraction is done, you may delete the original zip file, as you already have the needed files extracted in a separate folder. Open up the folder where you have extracted the files and simply run the download file. Depending on your Windows configuration, you may get some warnings. Just ignore them, as the file is completely safe, as far as I checked it at the moment of making this video. You may inspect the script yourself before running it. So after the file opens up, select the preferred language and click the Start Downloading button. It may take a while as the installation file weighs something like 900 megabytes, so depending on the speed of your internet, it may take a moment. The files are being downloaded directly from Microsoft servers, so you may be sure that this is 100% legal and not some pirated version. Once the download is done, I will get back to you. So after the download is done, you will see a new folder where all the installation files were downloaded to by the downloader file. Inside you'll find the language you have downloaded. You may download another language if you need it, but for me, English is enough. Inside the folder, you'll find all the installation files. Keep in mind that since they were downloaded from Microsoft servers, I guess it's only a matter of time when Microsoft will pull the plug and will disable the download of this Microsoft Office version. Thus, you may want to save these files for later use in a separate folder, or even copy them to a USB drive for safekeeping. Either way, in order to install the Office, simply find this setup file. Run it, and the installation will begin. It won't take long, literally about 10 seconds, as all the files needed for the application to work are basically downloaded to your system. And after installation is done, the installation window will simply disappear. Okay, now we have the Office installed, but before you try to run it, we need to install one more piece of software, as without it, this version of Office won't run, since this Office version is from the year 2010 and it was originally designed for older systems and not the new ones everybody is using now. I will show you what happens when you try to run it. Let's find the installed Word and Excel in the Start menu, as desktop icons were not automatically created. Basically, you'll get some kind of security error after trying to run the application. So in order to fix this problem, simply go to the Updates folder and run this file named Click2Run. Click OK in the appeared window, and the installation will start, but keep in mind that your computer will restart after this. So I will get back to you after the restart is done. Okay, the restart has been done, and now let's try and open up our newly installed Office. Just go to the Start menu, and you should see both the Word and Excel launcher icons. You may create shortcuts on your desktop if you like. Either way, compatible Word and Excel files should already launch using these applications. When you open it up, you will get some standard prompts regarding some settings. Fill those in. It is needed to do only one time, and the next time you launch the application, it will simply launch without any prompts like these, and after you are done with those. Here you go, we have a fully working Word app. Actually, it may have some limitations, as Microsoft stated. I don't actually know what they are, as everything so far worked flawlessly for me. It's just that you will always see this advertisement by Microsoft. Also, keep in mind that Microsoft is not supporting this Office anymore. Thus, no more updates are coming up. But either way, for daily unprofessional use for regular users such as you and me, this version is completely enough, and what matters is it's free and legal. And that's all I wanted to show you today. Make sure to like this video if you found it useful, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this.